I think I'm a totally good girl. मैं तो कुर्ते पहनती हूँ मैं. Yeah, like कुर्ते में sexual things से और मैं बात करूँ तो लोग थोड़ा it's counterintuitive.
Are you scared of being cancelled now?
Always. Not associating much with comedians. क्यों भाई? सारे comedians ने थोड़ी ना कुछ बोला है यार. There's slightly more doubt about a female comedian than you would have about a male comedian. Recently, I was in Bangalore. A guy was absolutely drunk and came up to me and he came to hug me. And I was just like,
You do so many of these react videos with Tanmay.
correct. He's given me a lot of opportunities for sure. A good girl is someone जो अपने मम्मी पापा की बात मानती है. They were so scared कि एक बार ये निकल गई घर से, इसको जरूर सबसे पहली चीज ड्रग्स ही मिलेगी.
Okay, so Shrija on the Good Girls show. Hi Shrija, how are you?
Hey, hello, hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Are you comfortable?
Yeah, I'm comfortable. I just realized my solid sweat patches दिखेंगे if I sit like this. So I'm just hiding them right now.
So, बहुत सारी बातें करनी है. Before
Yes.
that, we have something very interesting here.
Oh.
We always start with a report card.
Oh wow.
So this is the Good Girls report card.
Oh wow.
यहाँ पर एक section है which is called I've been called.
Okay. Loud मुझे बोला गया है काफी. Like sudden श्री की आवाज निकलती है मेरी एकदम से. So I have to sarcastic तो 100%. Yeah. It has somehow become my comedic voice.
Of course.
now.
Yes, it has. Absolutely. You're making money off it.
Yeah, that's what. So I guess I really leaned into that one. Bold मुझे उतना नहीं बुला गया. I guess like a stray bold here there, but somehow I guess my packaging somehow flies as not very bold. So I'm able to say a lot, get away with a lot of things that might be categorized as bold. Girl. I actually would love to be called that, but मुझे अभी तक किसी ने बुलाया नहीं. I'm trying really hard to get this. Bossy for sure. Bossy. I think my parents call me. What all have you been called out of all this?
I have been called bossy, too much, rebel, and opinionated.
Okay, nice. Yeah. Rebel. हाँ. Actually, I still live with my parents, इसलिए rebel उतना नहीं मिला है अभी तक मुझे.
So you can take bossy.
Yeah,
Bossy
I
you've
think
been
bossy,
called, ना?
bossy. Opinionated, yes, highly. ये तो तीन. Just ticks everywhere. ये तो बहुत
She's
बोला है
filled that
भाई.
box.
बहुत बोला है मुझे opinionated.
In what sense? मतलब too opinionated और वो अच्छे compliment की तरह use किया गया है कि
Both ways. Actually, I'm very argumentative, which I never agreed to before, but I guess my recent behavior has confirmed that I'm very argumentative. So I will just stick to one opinion and just really. और पता नहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा ये दायित्व है कि अपना ओपिनियन मैं शेयर करूँ. लोगों को पता होना चाहिए मैं क्या सोचती हूँ इस सिचुएशन के बारे में. Even though no one has asked for my opinion. So I'm very opinion. I've been argumentative and opinionated मुझे बहुत बोला गया है.
Okay. Now there's another section which is about remarks. तो
Oh,
क्या generally remarks हुआ करते थे on your report card?
On my report card, actually it has really changed. Some report cards said I was quiet and shy, and some said I was talkative. But I always got the nice a sweet girl, and I mean I was also in the same school as my mother. My mom taught in the same school where I studied for 10 years. So that's why मैंने कुछ भी स्कूल में गंदी चीजें नहीं की है. I've always been a very very good girl in school, and yeah, that's a remark I got.
Okay, and what is a remark that you wished for, that you wanted? यार ये क्यों नहीं लिखा मेरे report card पर?
Remarks I wished for was maybe they wrote that I was extremely active in co-curricular activities, or like a bright spark that who will conquer the world or something. ये ऐसा मुझे कभी आया नहीं. It was always like a gentle, sweet girl Sweet, yeah, nice, अच्छा,
Well
काम भी
behaved.
ठीक ठाक कर लेती है.
Hmm.
Yeah, so yeah.
So you said you were a good girl
Yeah.
in school. What was your understanding of it? And as a good girl, how were you expected to behave?
Most of the time I used to interact only with girls, other girls, even though ours was a co-ed school. I uh, went home on time. In fact, like even till college, I never hung out much post college. Maybe college में थोड़ा बहुत एक डेढ़ घंटा, and then I always went back home to get my afternoon nap. And evening वगैरह में I wasn't hanging out or like going to parties or anything, even though the parties were happening. Then, in fact, it used to be like it's ridiculous now that I think of it. But anytime people would make plans, also I'd be like, मुझे 7 बजे तक घर पहुंचना पड़ेगा. And then that just became like a recurring joke. कि Shrija can't come after 7. And then, yeah.
So घर पे curfew था.
Yeah.
You had to
घर पे
reach.
curfew था. I did not even fight much against it. Yeah. The latest I went home in college was at 9:30 p.m.
Wow.
once, and that too because it was my farewell party. और उसमें भी मैं घर एकदम टाइम से पहुंची, बहुत ही टाइम से.
So when you look back at all this, what do you think people, मतलब लोगों का definition और society का definition of a good girl exactly है क्या? Who is a good girl?
You're still in school, college. A good girl is someone जो अपने मम्मी पापा की बात मानती है. That's what I've been taught at home. Good girls मम्मी पापा की बात मानती है. They're respectful. वो argue नहीं करती है अपने parents के साथ.
ऊंची आवाज में बात नहीं करती है. हाँ.
ऊंची आवाज में बात नहीं करती, वो सुनती है पेरेंट्स. I'm not joking. This one time, like my friends were planning like a lunch or something, and it was going to be boys and girls both, and I would have been probably in 11th or 12th, okay, and इसमें लड़की लड़के दोनों होने वाले थे. And I asked my parents, lunch, okay, lunch very close to my house. I asked my parents, hey, can I go for this? And my dad's like, लड़के भी होने वाले हैं. I was like, yes. Like, कितने लड़के? Like 3 लड़के, but 4 लड़कियां. And then he thought about it, like, छोड़ो ना यार. अरे छोड़ो ना, मत जाओ ना यार, क्या करोगी तुम जाके? He literally वैसे यार की तरह बस छोड़ यार, तुझे भी क्या मजा आएगा. And I actually didn't go.
Oh no!
I did not go. I was like, yeah, पापा सही कह रहे हैं, मुझे क्यों ये जाना है, छोड़ो यार. Every time they would say no to things, it would really annoy me. But I would just like, wait, now I have this power. They've said no to something. I'm going to use this to get them to say yes to something else. So yeah, I guess a good girl is जो अपने parents की बात सुनती है और उल्टी सीधी बातें नहीं करती है. और yeah, good girls don't question much. Yeah.
एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल पेज है पता है इंस्टाग्राम पर. हैव यू सीन दैट रेगिस्तानी लड़कियां?
I haven't.
It's a beautiful page. So it's
Right.
like 2 little girls,
Yeah.
okay? And वो scripted है obviously,
हाँ.
but इतनी सुंदर चीजें. तो उसमें ना एक ऐसी रील थी जहाँ पर वो छत पर जाने की बात कर रहे
हाँ.
थे. तो एक छोटी बच्ची दूसरी बच्ची उसकी
हाँ.
दोस्त को बोलती है कि यार मुझे ना छत पर जाने का मन कर रहा है. तो उसे पूछती है क्यों? तो उसने बोला क्योंकि मना किया गया है ना इसीलिए.
हाँ, वही.
तो यहीं से आती है ये रिबेल मेंटालिटी.
Right.
Did you fight back? Did you become a rebel?
So I think till college there was not much of a fight back because somehow my parents had convinced me about these things. So even as मैं अपने दोस्तों को बोलती यार मुझे भी पार्टी वार्टी करने का उतना मन नहीं करता है. Honestly मुझे घर पे रहना पसंद है and all that. And I was also convinced कि हाँ ये लाइफ अच्छी नहीं है, ये परस्यू नहीं करनी चाहिए, ये बच्चे अपनी जिंदगी बर्बाद कर रहे हैं. Like that's what I would thought. But the one thing that I was like कि मेरे पेरेंट्स ने अल्कोहल बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली मना किया है, मुझे एक बार तो ट्राई करना ही है, ऐसा क्या है इसमें. So I think my first not rebellion but my first sort of rule breaking came there कि मैं अल्कोहल पीऊंगी अब. So that I tried. It was me and another friend. We've grown up together, similar family. So that's what one day we got our house empty and like हमें try करना है. हमने neat old monk पिया है, just randomly like ऐसे tea cups में डाल के. because it's just like हमें try करना है फटाफट चल try करते हैं. It was so exciting. In college, like, this is my last year of college, and we have all planned a trip, 1 day trip to Alibag, and we've decided we want to go there, spend time as like a class before we graduate
Great.
and move on.
Hmm.
And I really had to convince my parents for that. And even like the day I was leaving, like मैं बस पकड़ने जा रही हूँ, my mom's like, छोड़ो ना, मत जाओ ना, तुम इन पैसों से शॉपिंग कर लो, बस उधर मत. They were so scared कि एक बार ये निकल गई घर से, इसको जरूर सबसे पहली चीज ड्रग्स ही मिलेंगे. पहली चीज है ड्रग्स करने, इंजेक्शन सीधा डालेगी अपने वेन्स में ये.
Oh my God. But अभी you are saying this like एकदम jokingly.
Yeah.
लेकिन कभी भी इन सारी चीजों का बुरा लगा? Like did you were there moments where you know maybe went back to your room and you cried? Because I have done that.
Yeah, of
मैं रोई हूँ काफी because I was like ये ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं, मतलब मेरे को क्यों नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं. And जब आप when you're growing up यार, आप एक वो peer pressure और FOMO बहुत ज्यादा होता है. So did you ever feel bad about all of this?
So bad, like it used to be like screaming matches, like what, क्यों नहीं जा सकती हूँ मैं, like it's like it was like a proper, like I would throw like a huge tantrum, I would lock myself in the room, not eat food, like I would not speak to my parents for 10-12 days if there was something that they said no to, or they said oh, or then they would keep like मैं उतना भाव खाती थी कि टिल द पॉइंट दैट वो लोग इरिटेट हो गए, भागो यहाँ से, अब हम तुम्हें कोई भाव नहीं देने वाले. ओ शिट, मैं थोड़ा ज्यादा लंबा खींच लिया है ये.
पहले ही रुक जाना चाहिए था.
कुछ भी नहीं रहा है मुझे खाना खाने के लिए.
Yeah. So you grew up with a sibling, भाई बहन?
Yes, my elder brother.
Elder brother.
Yeah.
Okay. तो ये भाई के लिए और तुम्हारे लिए रूल सेम थे और अलग थे?
थोड़े तो अलग थे, और मैं फाइट्स में हमेशा सबसे पहले यही ब्रिंग अप कर, दादा को तो मना नहीं करोगे, एंड दादा को तो कुछ भी सब कुछ अलाउड होता है और ये सब. एंड so yeah, like the rules were definitely different, and now like I've brought this up so many times, like it's just like now it's just my first argument, like would you say this to my brother? No, right, then don't say it to me.
How are the rules different? 7 PM का कर्फ्यू नहीं था उसके लिए?
उसके लिए नहीं था 7 PM का कर्फ्यू, और उसने अपने ऊपर लिया भी नहीं है कि मुझे भी घर आ जाना चाहिए टाइम से. It's also how you deal with it at home. मेरा भाई बहुत शाना था, उसने अच्छे से ऐसे बहला फुसला के रखा था मेरे पेरेंट्स को कि मैं तो क्विजिंग के लिए जा रहा हूँ, मैं तो पढ़ाई करने जा रहा हूँ कोचिंग के लिए. So, निकल गया वो फिर.
So you know, I grew up with a sister. तो मुझे ऐसा कभी कुछ डिफरेंस फील नहीं हुआ. I don't know if it would have been otherwise, because I don't have any reference point for it, right? But I think somewhere it stays with you. All of these things really stay with you, and that is why कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा करने के पहले गिल्ट फील होता था.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you would feel guilty कि अच्छा okay, if I do this, will I become a bad girl?
Yeah.
What were those things for you? ऐसा कुछ था कि यार मैं ये करूँगी तो लोग सोचेंगे कि हाँ कितनी गंदी लड़की है.
Alcohol was one of the primary things, and then I guess coming home late, or having a mail drop you. So that's why till a quite a mature age, till like 25, 26, I used to find it very thrilling if a male was messaging me. It doesn't have to be any like romantic interest or anything.
लड़का मैसेज कर.
ये लड़का मैसेज कर रहा है. Like one of the things I would dream of in college or this thing was कि when I WhatsApp window पर boys भी हो girls भी हो, like boys के भी chat windows हो और equal सा हो, बिल्कुल मुझे male friends चाहिए. This is what a stupid thing to hope for, but yeah, it was something I always thought, because, and this was also because like I got my first phone in 8th standard or something, and in 9th or 10th standard my phone rang in front of my father, and it was some boy, and he asked me ki ये कौन है, ये किसका कॉल आ रहा है, एंड आई नॉट सेव्ड द नंबर बाय द, एंड आई कुडंट लाई, सो लाइक कि ये एक वो मेरी क्लास में एक लड़का है, टू गो फॉर कराटे क्लासेस देन, मेरी कराटे क्लास का एक लड़का है, इट्स लाइक ओ अच्छा क्यों कॉल कर रहा है वो, लाइक वो पता नहीं है, ऐसे ही कॉल कर रहा होएगा कुछ, क्यों वापस पहले भी कॉल कर चुका है वो, आई वाज लाइक हाँ मतलब एक दो बार मैसेज भी करता है, मैं हाँ थोड़े बहुत मैसेज भी, एंड आई हैव नथिंग विद दिस गाय, ओके
just friend maybe,
दिस गाय, या अंदर यार थोड़ा सा वो करता है मैसेजेस, ठीक है, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू रीच होम, लाइक थोड़ा वॉक करते हैं, भी बेटा हमने तुम्हें फोन इसके लिए नहीं दिया है कि तुम ये सब करो, तुम अपना नंबर किसी को भी दे रही हो, ऐसे फ़ोन इसके लिए नहीं होता है इतना मिसयूज़ के लिए कि ये तो लड़के वड़के इस वक्त ये बिल्कुल एज नहीं है ये सब करने की, और तुम्हें लड़के मैसेज कर रहे हैं, ये तो बिल्कुल हमें तुम्हारा फ़ोन लेना पड़ेगा, ये डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हैं इसका, पता नहीं कैसे लड़के हैं वो, it was full, like we walked like 2 rounds in our area so he could give me this lecture, and then उसके बाद से I was just like मुझे लड़कों से बात करनी है यार, इस मुझे इतना मना क्यों कर रहा है ये.
How old were you?
This was, I would be what, 15, yeah.
यार
Very
प्रॉब्लम पता है ये है कि पूरा टाइम तक आधी जिंदगी तो कहते हैं लड़कों से दूर रहो, लड़कों से दूर रहो, फिर अचानक से पूछेंगे शादी कब कर रही हो, अरे अब मैं कैसे करूं?
मुझे शर्म आती है उनके सामने.
अब ऑकवर्डनेस है तो अब कैसे?
मैं बात नहीं कर पाती हूँ उनसे क्योंकि तुम लोग ने पता नहीं क्या मेरे दिमाग में भर के रखा हुआ है. But I mean, his instinct was not wrong. That guy did ask me out after a few weeks.
अच्छा. Dads know it all. So, but that, मतलब I'm sure उसके बाद because of all this you felt that यार मैं अगर लड़कों से ज्यादा बात करूंगी तो I will be I will not be a good girl.
नहीं ये सब तो लड़के तो गंदी बातें ही करते हैं और लड़कों से तो दूर. But I mean, it's not like I did not interact with men or boys at all. But yeah, like my friend circle would always be females. Yeah.
But now do you have male friends? Good male friends?
Yes. I mean, because once you're in the professional world, then it's like your common experiences are with everyone, with boys and girls. And so now, like, I'm able to create a very healthy friendship with boys, and my parents know it.
And they don't have a problem now.
They don't. I don't think they can tell me anything anymore. I'm 30.
The only thing that they will tell you is to get married now.
Yeah. Now,
I had seen one of your show जिसमें you said कि you know कि मेरी भाभी अगर ज्यादा टाइम तक रही मेरे घर पे तो मेरी मम्मी उनको भी प्रेशर करने लगेगी शादी करने के लिए. So is this real? Is this pressure to get married? Is this real now?
Actually, that joke came more from the fact that everyone says कि ऐसे बेटी की तरह हम रखेंगे, and the बेटी is not such a great position. It comes with a lot of restrictions. So that was more, I think this was more of an exaggeration. Thankfully, my parents have not been very marriage focused like ever in my life till now.
Wow.
So yeah, in fact it would be offensive to me sometimes that, excuse me, do you think I can't get married or what? Like, why are you not even broaching that topic? So they've always been more focused on like MBA kar lena chahiye ab, all of that.
Oh, nice. Good for you.
So marriage pressure has not been like a very primary conversation in my house.
Amazing. Yeah. So growing up, who were you closest to? किसके साइड पर रहती थी, मम्मा या पापा?
Mom only. Mom. I have a more friendlier equation with my mother.
Okay. So you could talk to her about everything. हर चीज के बारे में बात कर पाती थी?
Not at all. No. We would discuss all kinds of gossip and politics in the family, but never any sexual or bodily related conversations were very brusque and एकदम बहुत ही to the point और छोटी मोटी बात की ब्रा तुम ये वाली खरीद लेना और चाहिए तो फिर जाकर खरीद लेंगे हम लोग very 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 hush.
Yeah, I know.
Were you open about it?
No, not at all. यार पता है तो even for periods, you know, there is a word that my mom still uses. She calls it chutti.
She's ahead of her time. वो period leave की बहुत पहले से बात कर रहे हैं.
No, but really, so like even today, so chutti in the sense that यार पहले क्या होता था ना, that like when my mom would get periods, obviously 3-4 days they would not go into the kitchen.
Yeah.
So that in that sense it would be like their chutti. So I think वहाँ से वो आया. But growing up, I never heard the word periods. मैंने ये word ही नहीं सुना है.
So maybe that was like a positive thing for her कि वो अब छुट्टी है 3-4 दिन. Like I do not have much work.
Yeah, I think maybe वहाँ से I think she also grew up listening to that. मेरी नानी ने भी वही कहा होगा. मतलब the idea was to give women a break. That's it. The idea was not that आप touch करोगे तो like you're not impure. आप impure नहीं हो. So it's taken, I think for parents also it takes some time to you know break their own cycle of conditioning. But yeah, like I could not have any of these conversations.
हमारी बुआ हुआ करती थी and she was considered like the bold बुआ of the house. तो and she was slightly way more open about these things. तो वो मुझे ऐसे कई बार बोलती थी like if my brothers or brother or father would keep insisting me on doing something and उन days में if I don't want to do it, she would just tell me तुम उनको बोल दो तुम्हारे पीरियड है, चुप हो जाएंगे बिल्कुल वो बोल दो मेरे पीरियड है वो और कुछ बोल नहीं पाएंगे. So I think that was like a small bit of rebellion she taught me कि बोल दो पीरियड सब चुप हो जाते हैं लड़के उसके फिर उनके पास कुछ होता नहीं है बोलने के लिए.
Did you try that?
Awkward हो जाता है. I tried it once or twice and my brother and father would just like slowly find their way out of the room.
Yeah, it would get मतलब awkward for them.
Awkward. Yeah.
और स्कूल में भी there was no sex ed, right? एक reproductive system का chapter था मुझे याद है जिसमें मतलब यार ठीक है process
वो भी बहुत ही awkwardly और बहुत ही वो like एकदम फटाफट वो खत्म कर दिया था उन्होंने. आई एम अ वेरी गुड गर्ल. मुझे भी ऑकवर्ड होता है ये सब बातें करने में अभी भी ऑन कैमरा स्पेशली. इनफैक्ट माय पेरेंट्स वर अपसेट ऑन माय लास्ट वीडियो.
रियली? क्या कहा उन्होंने? The last video where you actually spoke about
sexuality and spoke about I think क्योंकि उनके ऊपर तो मैंने बहुत जोक्स मारे थे.
What did they say?
Just like कुछ चीज़ें प्राइवेट ही होनी चाहिए. हर चीज़ के बारे में नहीं स्टेज पर बात किया जाता है.
Oh no.
मतलब you've signed up for this. You've signed up for this. You won't let me move out. So you are now my primary material. जो इधर बात हो रही है सब जाके बोलने वाली हूँ.
Oh no. But Shrija, growing up, was there anything that you were insecure about?
100%. I mean, definitely very insecure about my body and I mean which wo to like I still carry a little bit of that like insecure about my body and something as small as finding your own style or the clothes you wear, the clothes that you feel good in, look good in. वो सब भी like I started exploring much later. Like I mean, because you feel a certain way about your body, you don't spend much time on styling yourself. It's just like कि इसमें क्या ही अच्छा लगेगा इस पर. So like even in college, I would wear. It's not like I was not like thinking about what to wear and all, but I would wear more kurtis. I would wear more like big loose shirts and t-shirts. I feel more of internal dislike towards my body mainly because because people around were saying that there is a very specific sort of body type that looks good. But yeah, like I was, and the way humor also comes as like a first line of defense, and Like it starts with like a lot of self-deprecation and all. Like that only ki ye, let me address something about myself
Before
and make a
anybody else.
joke about it before anyone else.
Right.
Maybe now some of my jokes might be inappropriate. They might not have aged well. Some may be absolutely cancelable. But yeah, I was definitely always trying to get a reaction from people.
Are you scared of being cancelled now?
Always. Always. That's वो तो एक base level of I feel like cancel तो I'm like I think I can avoid cancellation but just little if बस थोड़ी empathy के साथ अगर मैं सोचूं तो cancellation मैं avoid कर सकती हूँ but legal trouble I never know when I may land in legal trouble. So yeah, sensitive times.
Yeah, and comedians are now very mindful.
Yeah.
घबरा से गए हैं लोग
घबरा हो
ये
गए हैं।
ये आसपास क्या घबराहट ज्यादा है दिख रही है फील हो रही है
या थोड़ी सी घबराहट तो सबसे पहले ब्रांड्स वगैरह को हो जाती है कि ये इस वक्त we're not associating much with comedians. क्यों भाई सारे comedians ने थोड़ी ना कुछ बोला है यार. But yeah, it's you have to be very careful about just the stuff that goes online. The rules are, I think, only going to get stricter from what I see.
क्या अभी भी कुछ स्टीरियोटाइप्स है फीमेल कॉमेडियंस को लेकर
100% वो stereotypes तो I think will take years and years to break up, but it's definitely getting better. But there's slightly more doubt about a female comedian than you would have about a male comedian. It's that, like, will this person be able to control the room as well as a male will be able to? And a lot of times, the reason male comedians are able to control a room better is because the audience is primarily male. So the males respond to a male talking to them. The commercial viability of a female comedian is still like not a lot of people bet on it as much as they would bet on a male comedian. But those things are slightly changing. Like even to see a female comedian on road touring, doing different shows, playing different rooms all over the country is something I've seen change in front of me. Like when I had started comedy, I wasn't seeing as many female comedians touring or going out, but male comedians were doing that a lot. So yeah, just in terms of that, setting up a tour, because it takes so much for a female to tour to different cities. Like you have to see a lot more things than you would have to see with a male.
like
Just in terms of a checklist about the area in which the performance venue is, because our shows are in the evening. So is that area safe enough? Are there people there to sort of look after, like who's the producer? Are the producer's credentials safe enough? Will there be enough people at the show to sort of, in case things go wrong, going back to the hotel from it? Like I would have to think about way more things than a male comedian would
right
while planning a show. And there are certain areas that I would never go to. Like it would just because of the place and the timing, I would decline. That's what, for so long the conversation was about creating a safe space for female comedians to perform in, because there's no real rules or anything in place we're still like a slightly more unorganized sort of setup. A very simple incident recently, I was in Bangalore and this guy was absolutely drunk and came up to me and he's like, I'm a big fan, and I was like, okay, thank you. And he came to hug me. I just immediately put my hand ahead and took his hand and shook it, and I was just like, but there were enough like male comics around me. There were enough people that I would not be in danger. But it's just sometimes audiences just do not know how to behave.
उदित जी होते तो
मतलब मुंह घुमाकर ही एकदम full crazy man. What? घुमाकर
क्या कर रहे हैं
his
वो?
jokes were always so inappropriate, but I liked his songs. But this was so, it was just hilarious. It was
Yeah.
not hilarious. I mean, it was wrong, but it's just like this guy's. It's not like some misplaced. I'd seen some influencer who had put up a reel ki, hey, maybe it was just a misplay. No, he took her head, turned it around, and kissed her.
Yeah.
It was not a misplaced kiss. It was with full intent. He thought he could do it.
Yeah, and then he's calling more
Yeah.
of women. बुला रहे हैं, आओ.
जितना भी खींचने आ रहे सबके साथ वही कर रहा है.
हाँ.
Ridiculous. Ridiculous.
Yeah, पर you know श्रीजा, मैं जब अभी भी कुछ like if I read comments, हंसना था क्या? ये अभी भी एक बहुत बहुत patent comment है. And see, I don't want to make this podcast about men or male bashing, but I cannot overlook the fact that out of 10, 9 of those comments are by men.
Yes.
कि हंसना था क्या? तो क्यों नहीं हंसी आती है you know boys को on when girls crack jokes?
उनको because they're upset. They're upset that they are sitting in their room and watching reels, doing nothing with their life, and there is a female who gets to be successful. So that feels like an opportunity that is taken away from them personally. So which is why it's offense. It's offense that, hey, it's a male world. What are you doing here? You don't deserve to be here. It's just automatically when they see a female, they're just like, this person does not deserve to be here. इसको ये लड़की है इसलिए शायद आने दिया अंदर. They automatically feel कि she's had it easy. She's had it easy. Let me remind her that. कि नहीं, it's not funny. It's not funny because you don't know anything. Your IQ is low. it's that. I mean, that's why I think live audiences में, your previous question, live audiences में उतना नहीं होता है. But comments are just horrible. They're especially when like a year or year and a half ago, I put up a reel about Animal. And people went insane. They were like, it was just some 5,000, 6,000 comments, just the worst possible, सबसे गंदी गंदी गालियाँ उन्होंने बस लिखा है ये. Just like, how dare you say anything about Animal, the movie? And it was there, and it's just there's nothing you can do about it. At that point, more than offended, what completely defeats your spirit is the helplessness of it, that this will not, you can do nothing to stop this.
Like every girl on the internet, her DMs are filled with filth,
Yeah.
and there's nothing much you can
Anyone,
like, do.
who's talking about a female experience will suddenly start getting a lot of hate. And which is, it also, these sort of things put things in perspective for you. Okay, oh wait, till now, I was avoiding talking about certain things. I had put a self-censorship on myself कि मैं इन चीज़ों के बारे में, वरना लोग सोचेंगे फीमेल कमेडियंस तो इन्हीं चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते हैं. तो करते हैं तो है.
ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है.
ये मेरी लाइफ का पार्ट है, मैं करूँगी. For first 4-5 years, you're constantly hearing these things. So you constantly start thinking कि मुझे पीरियड वगैरह के बारे में. Let me not make another joke about period. उन्हें लगेगा मैं यही बात करती हूँ. तो लगने दो अब. It's that. It just gives you that perspective.
If it is something we experience every month,
Yeah.
how can we not talk about it?
Exactly.
You know, like
Exactly.
it's a part of our experience. These things are, यार तो you know ये show start करने के पहले even I was very skeptical कि यार मैं कुछ चीजें, if I talk about girlhood, will I lose out on the male audience? And पता है सबसे ज़्यादा funny और irritating चीज़ मुझे लगती है कि only when a woman is sharing about her experience will the men come and say कि हमारे issues के बारे में बात क्यों नहीं करते हो?
भाई पूरे all of literature, culture, everything talks about your experience. How are you still finding dearth of it?
Yeah.
That's great. It's everything talks about you. It is the male gaze represented everywhere.
Absolutely.
That's what these things also come into perspective because of the people I worked with, Supriya Joshi, Jia Sethi, and for that matter, even males. At the start of my comedy, this thing, I myself had very sexist ideas and very. So anytime people would do things to promote more female comics, I would be like, no, we shouldn't do that. Yeah, why? Like it should be merit based, but nothing is merit based. The world is not merit based, so you have to promote a certain, and it was done by a lot of males, like a lot of male producers and males who were curating lineups and shows. They also did a lot of things to promote female comedians, to bring more female voices on their shows, on their lineups. So uh, all of these people have also helped shape my perspective at what it is right now.
Yeah.
So,
So, who's that one male comedian you've always felt like good to be around? You've always felt the most safe and amazing with?
there's so many, like all of these people, like Abhishek Upmanyu, Kanan Gill, they're they treat you as a comedian, and all the conversations they have with you is about the craft, is about the technique and the process of comedy. That's not, they're able to shed any sort of bias.
You do so many of these react videos with Tanmay.
Tanmay, correct, yes.
वो क्या
he
vibe?
he was one of the first people to, like, really, he had put up a story about me when I was miking, और उसके वजह से मेरे कुछ 1,000-1,500 followers आ गए थे. And at that time it was crazy. It was like I felt like a star then. 1,000-1,500 followers, but he was always very supportive. Even my first roast I did with Tanmay. So yeah, he's given me a lot of opportunities for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So now we have a fun game
Yes.
for you. Okay.
Awesome.
ये कुछ chits हैं, and
Yes.
these are chits about few firsts in your life.
Awesome. First period. When did I get it?
Yeah.
Or-
So what's your
What?
first period story like?
Oh, my first. Actually, मुझे period के बारे में बहुत पहले ही किसी एक another elder female friend had told me, so I was quite excited about my period. First time
You
मुझे-
were excited, really? You were
Yes,
not
yes.
freaking out?
I was very excited to
Wow.
have my period. Somehow, like I was a bit of a tomboy, जो उस वक्त बोला करता था. But this specific part of womanhood, I was very excited about. And then I realized what I've signed up for.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Next one.
This is first rebellion. I think the first time I had alcohol would be like my first. Wow, I've really not rebelled as a child. मेरा तो boyfriend वगैरह भी नहीं था कुछ भी.
क्यों?
नहीं यार, मैंने रखा ही नहीं कोई boyfriend. I mean, also I was very awkward about my body and also I was just like, पता नहीं कैसे करते हैं, मतलब कैसे होएगा ये सब. तो yeah, first rebellion was having alcohol in my own house. Yeah.
Okay.
This one, first kiss. It was very late in life, very very late. My first kiss was at 27.
What?
Yeah, 26 or 27. Yeah.
But was
I'll
it
tell you,
at least good?
It was great. It was in Himachal.
Oh my god.
Pura the scene was set for it. It was very romantic.
Yay! You go, girl.
First relationship. I think first I don't even know if it categorizes as a relationship, but I guess first, like, romantic understanding with someone that this is not a friendship
Acha.
was, I guess, at 18 or something. Very, very, very short lived, extremely immature, extremely. I was so stupid. I was just like, yeah. I got so scared of it that I was like, sorry, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है.
Scared? क्यों?
Because I just did not know how to be with a boy at that time. I just did not know how to behave differently. I was so scared of like, then वो है कि फिर ये तो किस मिस भी कर देगा मुझे, वो मैं कैसे कर पाऊंगी. आई थिंक ऐसे मुझे मना कर देना चाहिए.
पापा ने मुझे फोन ले लिया था ना
वही रहा मेरे दिमाग में.
उसी की वजह से. Yeah. What's that?
First crush.
Who has been your first crush?
Hrithik Roshan.
Yeah.
Hrithik Roshan first crush for
Oh
so
my
long.
God. After
Yeah.
Kahuna Pyar Hai, no?
After Kahuna, so long I had a crush on him. प्रॉपर एकदम शिद्दत वाला क्रश. उसमें एक बार हम लोग उसका कैसेट बजाए थे घर पे और कोई ऋतिक रोशन को गलत गलत चीजें बोल रहा था. मैंने कैसेट को जाकर सॉरी बोला था कि सॉरी उसने सब बोला.
Oh my God. What's your favorite film of Hrithik Roshan?
Favorite film now, I think Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara is where I really enjoy watching
Arjun?
him. Yeah, huh?
Arjun.
Arjun. Kabir. No.
Arjun. He was Arjun.
He was Arjun.
It's
yes.
मेरा birthday, Arjun.
It's my birthday,
Arjun. ये अगले महीने नहीं आएगा. You know, Kahuna Pyar Hai, obviously.
Yeah,
I
obviously.
mean, that was where the love began. But Dhoom 2.
Oh, Dhoom 2 also very, very.
भाई उस टाइम तो मुझे लगा कि मतलब मुझे
Very
like I want to get married to this man.
It was उसमें तो वो he was the cool villain.
Yeah.
तो वो तो और hot लग रहा था कि wow, he really just doesn't care. That's so hot.
You know, every time I see एक ऐसा drain lit,
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है उसमें ऋतिक निकलेगा.
Wow.
Even today whenever मुझे वही याद आता है. You remember right how
Yeah.
oh my God मतलब drain से निकलकर कोई इतना hot कैसे
कैसे?
लग सकता है.
So very very hot. In fact मुझे तो जोधा अकबर में भी वो बहुत अच्छा लगा
Oof,
था.
yeah.
वो जो ऐसे वो हाँ तलवारबाजी की प्रैक्टिस कर रहा होता है.
Oh my God. Yeah. Your last thoughts? What is going on in your mind right now? What do you want to tell the world about being a good girl?
About being a good girl, I'm a very good girl और मैं बहुत सारे good girl shows कर रही हूँ. Come watch me live, watch me talk about things your parents will approve of. Yeah, I think I'm a totally good girl. मैं तो कुर्ते पहनती हूँ. This is part of my look to give me the license to talk about sexual things then.
What?
Yeah, like कुर्ते में sexual things से और मैं बात करूँ तो एकदम लोग थोड़ा it's counterintuitive.
It's funny. I have had a lot of fun talking to you, Shrija. I hope
Yeah.
this is good for you also.
It was great. Like I think I've talked endlessly for so long.
Yeah.
I've spoken a lot.
Thank you, Shrija, for
Thank
being
you.
on the
Thank you so
show.
much,
And I
Pranay.
have something
Thank
very
you.
special for you.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have a sunflower for you. I think we should.
This is very sweet.
I am normalizing this thing. I'm normalizing giving flowers to women
Of
in my
course,
life.
yes, yeah. I underestimate how much I like receiving flowers. It's so sweet, yeah. Thank you.
Last time कब दिया था किसी ने फूल?
मुझे अभी recently flowers.
ओहो,
बुके मिला
अब तो
था.
मिल ही रहे हैं.
एक fight के बाद.
Thank you,
Thank
Shrija.
you
It was so
much.
lovely.
Thank you. It
to
was
be
so
talking to
great to talk to you.